go well because the future lies in your hand. Whatever you guys are going to do, whatever deliverables you will want to give it in the near future, you will not only go to raise the banner high of the university, not only of your family, but also of the country. So in that regard, they are really working hard to nurture you, to ensure that you will get best of this training, best of these skills, which the Deloitte can offer you. As we all are aware about it, year by year, they are increasing the numbers also, with lots of determination, and who has proved their worth over there. Because of that reason, they are taking us to a different level of engagement also, where they want to ensure that more and more people who are looking forward to work with an organization will get a better opportunity, will get better skill sets to learn and to develop. So I would like to welcome the...
We are going to be talking on some technical sessions with you today, and we do hope we are going to have a few more sessions with you during your stay in the third year itself. Required by Deloitte or industry in general by the time you want to go and get placed there. After the exam, the 2 months break which you have, please utilize by getting leads from whatever these people are discussing.
There are a lot of young minds in this room. We're going to be doing more of a discussion. It's more of exchanging thoughts so that I and Neeraj also can take back with us as to what the generation today is thinking and how we can make our workplace, as the word up is there, the slide is up there, more inclusive, more diverse. Okay, so we all know that innovation is the key. We all know we need to think differently. But to think differently, we need to ensure that the people that we have with us, the people that we are working with, they all come from different backgrounds, because that's how the diversity is going to come in, right? So we're going to be spending the next 1.5 hours, brainstorming, exchanging ideas, having an understanding of what you understand about what the word inclusion means, and sharing some thoughts around that as to what it means from our perspective as corporate citizens, so that when we go back after this session, we have some food for thought in terms of the lines in which we need to inculcate some things in our behavior and be conscious about. And yes, I know placement is a blockbuster theme here. So towards the end of the session, if there are some questions about Deloitte, about the placement season which will come up, I understand all of you are third years, right? You will be back here in this room next year when Neeraj is back with the bigger team for placement. So yes, we will address those questions towards the end of the session. Fair enough? Yes. So I think before I begin what inclusion means, I will just want to understand what does it come to your mind when we talk about inclusion. So.
For me, inclusion means bringing about different people from different culture, different background together and working on the same platform to achieve the same goal. That is what I feel about inclusion.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rahila.
To bring together, whether they are beings, people, material or anything, incorporate.
Okay, fine, that's good enough.
Good morning, my name is Pranay Bhardwaj from Electronics and Communications. Based on my literal understanding and that infographic, I would like to say that inclusion basically means coming to create an ocean.
So I think I will just add on to what everyone has said, and then we can go back and have some more thoughts. So when we're talking about inclusion, yes, we're talking about having a workplace or having an environment which is productive, which has thoughts from different sections of the society. So what typically happens is, the kind of backgrounds and the kind of social conditioning that we come from, some kind of unconscious bias we tend to develop, and that's not our fault. It's just because the kind of environment that we have around us, be it in schools and other ways, no one's told us to be aware of, conscious of those things, right? So as we move on in the corporate sector and in the non-corporate sector, as the awareness in the society increases, and as we need more and more productive people, to take the economy and to take the society to the next level. So we're talking about, when we say inclusion, yes, we're talking about, having a differential people.
inclusion, right, in the middle. So it's as a corporate citizen, it is our responsibility to ensure that we provide equal opportunity for everybody to grow. At the same time, if someone has a challenge, right, how do we as an organization enable them to be equally productive and effective in their work, right? It could be someone who comes from different background, may not necessarily have the same experience that we expect, or someone who is records. I'm not sure if Linka book of records. But he had the aspiration. So while working with Deloitte, we wanted to ensure that he fulfills